As you watch this video, we want to alert you that your activity might actually be monitored by an unwelcome cyber intruder. As frightening as this concept is, statistics show that as your organization develops more links to the Internet of Things, the probability of becoming a victim of a data breach or attack multiplies. The solution is to conduct frequent vulnerability scans and penetration tests to find network vulnerabilities performed by an M-Test. Developed by M-Tech, a pioneer in the field of cybersecurity, M-Test is a unique service geared to testing all products, including software and hardware, to ensure network performance and security compliance for pre- and post-production implementations. M-Tech will give you that peace of mind that any product, software or hardware implemented into your network is trustworthy, reliable and secured by M-Tech. Now it's easier than ever to ensure that even before implementation, any product to be integrated into an office network will comply and adhere to all the requirements, specifications and compliance for your company's needs. For more information about protecting your organization, contact us at M-Tech today. Certified network design with cybersecurity in mind.